What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2020 Land Rover Defender started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's going to give me a message on the dash saying place smart key as shown and press start. So where it's telling us to place the smart key is up underneath the steering column. If we take a look under here, we see this rectangle cutout right here. So what I'm going to do is take the key fob and I'm going to hold it with the buttons facing down in that little cutout like that. So while I'm holding it there with one hand, now I'll start it as normal, press the brake in, and then I'm going to press the stop-start button once, twice, and then the vehicle will start and you'll be ready to drive as normal. And then you'll need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.